This is an educational series on the NEOXCELL protocol. This protocol is a combination of yellow and red light therapy that I use for all of my body sculpting patients. This is a continuation of the cellular repair phase that we started post-operatively. Here, we're bringing in the red light therapy that allows for increased blood flow, increased perfusion and oxygenation into the tissues that overall lead to better scarring and healing for our patients. This protocol is extremely important in providing a comprehensive care in the recovery phase and ensuring a smooth post-operative outcome.